Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour of the Best Western in New Cumberland, PA. So we stayed here when we went to Hershey Park over the summer and it was a great budget option. If you like videos like this, make sure you remember to like and subscribe down below. Okay, so I'm going to do a room tour for you guys. We just finished packing everything up. Don't mind our garbage there. When you first walk in, there is a big full-length mirror here, which is really nice. There's also an overhead light and this little lamp, which makes it extra bright. So right when you walk in the door is the bathroom. So you have this big counter with tissues, toilet paper, big mirror with lots of lights, definitely bright in here. They had little complimentary soaps, which was nice. Let's see if we turn around this way. Here is the shower. Let's see if I can show you that. So we've been here for a while, so we have a lot of towels, but the shower was really nice, pretty new and updated. There's a little bit of artwork in here. The bathroom's pretty big, so with 5 of us, it was perfectly fine in here. But yeah, that's it for the shower and the bathroom. Right there is the bathroom door, and I'll show you guys the bathroom. Here's a really nice closet. There was a lot of space in this closet. Let me see if I can open it for you. There was an ironing board and an iron that we used, an extra little luggage rack, which came in handy. And then moving through the room, again, we stayed here for a while, so don't mind, it's a little messy. But when you walk into this area, there was a really nice desk with this chair. The chair came in extra handy when we ordered takeout. So we just rolled the chair over to that little coffee table and it worked out pretty well. We have a little dresser here, which was super handy and nice. There's like an ice container, some reusable cups, coffee, little thing, but we didn't use any of that. And then over here, again, we had this coffee table, which was nice. This little couch was actually really nice. It also pulls out into a bed. So that's why this room sleeps 5 people. There's some little like modern updated artwork and a lamp, which was really nice. They repainted this room and it looks like all of the rooms a gray scale. It's not coming up super great because of the lighting, but the color scheme in here is really nice and updated, modern. There are lots of like outlets and plugs everywhere, which was nice as well. You have the air controls over here. I should have showed you those. Here are some more plugs, and even in this lamp, you have a lot of different plugs. So plenty of room to plug in all your electronics. And then when you walk through here, so this is like the little living area, you get to where 2 of the beds were. So again, they were all updated, really nice headboards. Over here to the left, there was a little bench you could use where we sat a lot of our luggage on there, which was handy and nice. Some more little artwork. And then let's see, over here you have a microwave, a refrigerator, and a freezer, which we used the refrigerator part, which was great. You have some more drawers, a really nice TV, which was great. Over here you have the second bed, as well as a little dresser with more little outlets, charging area, so that came in super handy. Over here's the second bed. And then over here, there was another outlet, which I used, which was great. We have more artwork up there. Next to like the TV stand and the refrigerator, there was this little stand as well. Because there were 5 of us staying here, all of this storage helped out so much. There's an air conditioning unit and a really nice big window. So that was really great. We really liked the room. It was definitely really big and spacious. So that was great. And that is it for our room tour. We're going to be checking out today. Yeah, so we really liked our stay here. It was great. So here's one last view of the hallway as we leave. Again, everything at this hotel was great for the short time we stayed here. There was 5 of us, so the room easily accommodated all 5 of us. Yeah, and that's it. I'll catch up with you once we get back home. Okay guys, so that was it for this hotel tour. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you another option for somewhere to stay if you want to visit Hershey Park. Again, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. We do tons of Disney content and other theme park content, as well as DIY videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.